How to get your referral link on Doordash. Hey everyone, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily get your referral link on Doordash. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Doordash application and make sure that you are logged into your accounts. So you can share your referral link with your friends to earn credits for food or bonuses for your dashing. It's a great way to save or earn extra cash. So let's just jump in. Once on your homepage, you're going to have to find the Me tab at the bottom right corner or your account section. Just tap on it. Then you'll see your settings menu. Head over to the settings menu right here. And once you have done that, you're going to have to find your referral section. So right below gift cards here, you'll find something called Refer Friends, Get USD1. So you'll get $1 for your referral. What happens is you can get $1 in credits when someone signs up using your referral link and places their first order over $20. Your friend will also get $5 off and $5 off for each of their first orders. Now, this right here is your referral link. You can just go ahead and tap on the copy icon. So if you tap on it, it will automatically copy the link. Or if you just long press on it and copy, it will copy this. If you tap on text, you can text any number you want from here. And if you just go back, you should be good to go. So this is how you basically get your referral link on Doordash. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.